Come today in front of me REALME GT Neo 2 and I'll show you how to enable or disable the Google Feeds on this device. In my case, the Google Feeds are activated right now, and just to turn it off, swipe here with your finger to the right side and go to this icon. Now just tap here to the settings and go to the general settings. Here you will see the discover switcher. Just tap once on the switcher, and as can you see, our Google Feeds just deactivated right now. If you want to just turn it on, just go again to the settings and here tap again to the discover, and now we'll just check, and as can you see, we just enable our Google Feeds again. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.